My name is Tejas and today I will show you how to make a origami paper chair. So, let's start. First, you have to take a origami paper. This. After taking this, you have to fold it in two halves. See this. Then, after folding it, you have to fold it again in four halves. After, it will look something like this. Then you have to open it so there will be 4 steps. But you have to take only 3 steps so you can cut the one step. See, I have cut it. Then there will be 3 steps. Then you have to fold it in such manner that 3 steps will remain the same and you have to fold it in half. After folding it in half, you have to take the corner which is jointed. Then you have to fold only one strip side and press it so your chair will be made good. Then take the another corner also and fold and press it. Then after folding it, open it and then like this. It will look something like this. Then press in from between and sides to make your chair good. Then from the other side also. See. It will look something like this. Then you have to turn the last between part towards up and press it. Then it will look something like this. Then fold the one corner in between. So then press it a little. Then do the another corner or the another side also and press it. It will look like this. Then you have to open it and your chair is ready. So this is how this chair is made. As you can see, if you see it's little fluffy, so you have to press it as I told. If you press it hard, chair will be made good. See this. The chair. So how it is, friends?